Since 1995, National Covers has been the leading supplier of boat covers, carrying the widest selection and the best cover brands on the market. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line, high-performance, long-lasting personal watercraft cover, then look no further than the Windstorm Elite Series boat covers. Windstorm Elite covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They are made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. They are perfect for extended exposure to marine elements and UV rays. Our top-of-the-line covers are handmade with 100% genuine Sunflair fabric, rated top in the industry, and are engineered to provide years of outdoor performance in harsh marine environments. Covers come with sewn-in shock cord in the hem, heavy-duty XT strap kit, and stuff sack. Windstorm Elite covers are by far the best covers on the market. At National Covers, we offer the largest selection of marine-grade boat covers and high-quality bimini tops on the market. National Covers, America's trusted cover source since 1995.